Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a comforting and delicious Japanese dish called chicken mushroom udon. It's a perfect meal for any occasion and it's super easy to make. Let's get started! Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. While not essential, I had some long green onion on hand, so I will chop it up and add it to the dish. Place a dashi pack into a pot. Today I wanted a stronger dashi flavor, so I'm adding it in. But you can make a delicious broth using just a noodle soup base as well. Add the chicken and shimeji mushrooms and let them cook. Break apart the shimeji mushroom into small clusters. Pour in the noodle soup base, then bring it to a boil. Cook the udon noodles in plenty of boiling water according to the package instructions. Drain the noodles and rinse them briefly with water. This will give you noodles with a nice firm texture. Place the udon noodles in bowl, pour the soup over them, and you are done! The combination of the chicken and shimeji mushroom flavors infused into the broth, along with the firm texture of the udon noodles, is a perfect match and makes for a truly delicious dish. And there you have it, a simple and comforting Japanese dish that you can easily make at home. The rich broth and the satisfying texture of the udon noodles makes the perfect meal for any day of the week. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty Japanese cooking videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!